What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy, Mr. G.D.I.Y. Back with another video, man. Hey, man. Happy holidays. Happy New Year. Happy all that. I'm telling you that now. Today, we're going to take a little cruise. In the ride today. I don't know, but we're going to take a little ride, man. And I don't know. Maybe this might be my last ride this year. Maybe it won't, who knows, but let's get a cold start, man. We're gonna cold start it. Let's see what we got. All right, let's cold start this guy. It's just been on the charger. I just took it off the charger, so let's see. I don't have no heat in my car, and it be warm in there because the heat off the motor. My car be warm. I really don't even need heat, but I need heat. You feel what I'm saying? But we're gonna let this thing warm up. I'm gonna take y'all on a little cruise for the day, and we're gonna figure it out after that. I'm gonna catch y'all back on in a minute. Me personally, I always do a check before I leave, but I done it before I cut on the camera. I always check my oil, transmission fluid, make sure there ain't nothing leaking. You always want to do that on your old school to minimize the problems you have when you on the road. I always do it. If anybody y'all that drive trucks out there, we call that a pre-trip. We pre-trip our ride before we take off every time. So that's all I was doing. Everything looked like it's in working order. We about to hit the road, man. So yeah, I just wanted to say y'all some of the boredom of pulling out the neighborhood. See what's going on out here. Being one of these corners. But things I'm trying to do to the car coming up, so that's the reason I gotta park it. Like, you know what I'm saying? I want to start sanding down on the car, trying to put that new clear on there, that new pearl on here. So that's just one of the things I'm trying to do. I got other stuff in mind also, but just doing that gonna take a little time. So that's why I'm gonna have to park it so I can sand it and all that, put all my time in it and make it come out the best I can. But yeah, so we're gonna see. Now don't mind me, man. I'm just in a couple corners. Just enjoy the ride. I don't know. I might put a little music in right here. I might not. I don't know. I think it just depends. Matter of fact, I'm gonna cut y'all back on in a minute. Get somewhere else. Hey YouTube, you know. Oh shit, never mind. I see the police. Never mind. I'm finna cut it off, YouTube. Never mind. I was about to do something. There's police lights up here. My bad, YouTube. We back, man. Police threw me off, man. Police done threw me off, dog. Police done threw me off. Got this big old phone hanging out. They out there. They got prisoners on the side of the road and all that. So, man, that told maybe get on the other side of the street. He got the point talking about slow down, all this. Had to cut the phone off. Boy. If anybody know, you know. If you in the old school, you know, man. Only even met with the police, man. So I ain't say, I don't know, man. I don't know necessarily what's next, but I know right now I'm trying to get this paint done, so that's the main thing. That's the main thing, so. After I do that, it is what it is. Yeah, we stuck at the light, so. Stuck at this light. Stuck at this light. Know what I'm saying? I'm gonna hit y'all back in a minute, man. We ain't doing that, but, well, nah, you know what? We'll let it rock out for a little bit. We'll let it rock out, forget it. We'll let it rock out. I had some music playing, but I cut that off too, cause I ain't want to get copyrighted, so you know how that go. But this thing idle smooth, man. Smooth and lovely, dog. Smooth and lovely, you hear it? And I ain't hot. It ain't too cold out here today, but I mean, I'm not cold. It's not too cold out here. I'm not cold. I'm actually, you know, I'm straight. So, you know what I mean? Right now, we good. Just waiting on this doggone. Liz, see, this light too long, man. That don't make no sense. But yeah, I'm gonna cut y'all back on in a minute. We wasting time. Boy, the 18-wheeler just turned too close to my car, boy. He almost hit me. Woo wee, boy. He would have did that, boy. He was finna buy a Chevelle, boy. I'm totaling this out and I'm hurt. I'm just sitting at the light. He was finna pay. can't get a 6-0, it's cool. Cam, you out of 5'3", but just off strength alone, off power alone, just get you a 6-0. You know what I mean? 6-0 would be the best way to start for me. I know 5'3". If you get a 5'3" for practically goddamn free, then you know how that go. I take that too. But yeah, this 6-0 definitely pulls, man. I got a rebuilt 4L80, so it's practically brand new too. But yeah, other than that, man, I like I said, I love old motors too. I love the conventionals too, but LS is nice, man. Especially, you know, with this Holly. It wasn't that expensive when I got it. It's damn sure expensive now. I done want almost $2 grand for the Terminator X Max, boy. No, I don't know about that. But anyway, I ain't gonna bore y'all, dog. We gonna ride for a little. I might play some music right here. I'm just playing. I ain't playing no music, man. We want to hear motor. That's what we want to hear. We want to hear motor. Don't y'all like to hear motor? Don't y'all like? Oh shit, my bad. Let me stop. Oh, well, it's police. Look, man, it's a day after Christmas right now. It's police everywhere, dog. I just did that and just looked to the left. There's 3 police cars. I gotta stop, man. That's what I'm saying. That's why I'm just doing a light cruise, because I'm about to go back in the house because I ain't got time. I want to act in too many police out here. But I'm gonna cut y'all back on in a minute, man. After I finish my cruise, because I'm gonna ride a little. I want to listen to some music. I'm gonna cut y'all back on though and finish this video out. Alright, my bad, YouTube, man. I got a call. Started talking on my phone. Ended up getting back to the house. But anyway, this is the end of the video, bro. Like I said, you know, I just want to give y'all a ride. I don't know, this might be a ride. Might be the last ride of the year, but you know what I'm saying? Either way it goes, it's gonna be good. It's gonna be greater in 2025, man. Like I say, happy holidays, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, all that to y'all, man. Shout out to all my subscribers, dog. Give me the 500. Give me the 500, dog. And we're gonna go from there. I had to look, I almost fired out, but give me 500, dog. And you know what I mean? This right here. It might not be this. It ain't gonna be this. A little while, but hey man, sometimes them shops get back up. You don't know where to start. You gotta do it yourself. It's your boy, Mr. G.D.I.Y, and we out. Peace.